Hello, I'm Letitia Ortega, and here is my second grade Ocean Layers Science Center. First, I'll go over the NGSS standards that I selected, and that's the 2 ESS2, develop a model to represent the shapes and kinds of land and bodies of water in the area, and also 2 ESS1-1, make observations to construct an evidence-based account for natural phenomena. The topic of my science center is ocean layers, to learn about the layers of the ocean and the characteristics of the layers, and the creatures that live within each of the layers. For activity 1, the students will read, as a class, we will read Wish for a Fish by Dr. Seuss. It's a really great book. It goes over the different creatures that live within the different layers, and it gives a little description of each of the layers. So again, we would sit down and read it as a class. They would get to ask questions. I would ask them questions. Just a really great activity. I've also included down here in the bottom for cross-curricular a standard that ties this in with ELA. Activity 2 is a printout for a coloring sheet. You can click here and it will take you to the hyperlink of that particular printout. So the students would take that coloring sheet and apply what they've learned with focus on the actual colors of the ocean and the way the ocean layers darken as it goes deeper. And again, here's another cross-curricular standard that I've tied in to this particular assignment. Activity 3 is to have this teacher print out all of these flashcards, cut them in half, and then have the students match up the description with each of the sea creatures. And for activity 4, this is the Ocean Layer Science poster. The teacher would supply construction paper, scissors, crayons, pencils, markers, anything that they need to create their own Ocean Layers Science poster. This would probably be the main focus for this whole unit. This would just be a good representation of what they've learned and to show that they can apply it. Again, if you click on this sheet here, that'll take you to another hyperlink for that particular printout of sea creatures that they could use, or they could also draw their own sea creatures if they choose to do so. Here's a rubric for the poster in particular. I just thought I'd create a rubric. Then we also have an ocean layer test, which goes over 6 questions just to see how they understood the whole unit topic. And there you have my science center. Thank you.